What's the most amount of money that you've made for other people?
Pretty recently, we had one guy come over to the house for an event, and he's one of my coaching clients. I helped him make over $6 million in 1 month with his company, and I've helped other people make a really good amount of fucking money as well, either helping them with their sales stuff, their social media stuff, their systems and automations, their branding. These are all things that I specialize in. I help other people rarely with. I will help people if it is a good deal and it makes sense for me and it makes sense for them, then I will help you. I do not really promote those services to a lot of people just because I mostly try to just do it for myself. And you know, if someone is willing to pay a lot or give me equity, then yes, I'll take those deals and then I'll help them out. Your beliefs and how you react to things is very dependent on how you view yourself, your confidence, and what you're trying to aim for within the company. And I think having a healthy company environment is incredibly important for the belief, having positive energy. If people are coming to work and they don't want to come to work, people don't believe in what they're doing, sales are going to go down, productivity is going to go down, all these things are going to go down. And I think it's really important as you being the leader of the company, or if you are in any position of leadership, for you to be in charge of that, and you can actually control that and dictate how people are feeling within it. So that's really, really important. And I noticed that within a lot of companies where, you know, it's very toxic, you know, people don't really believe in it. Yeah, people want to leave. People don't want to be part of it, and people end up being lazy. And I think you guys all watching can relate is you put your best effort and your most quality work into things that you believe in, things you're passionate about. And so those are the things that I try to implement with everyone I work with.
Why do older influencers hate you?
Older influencers, younger influencers, haters, whatever, all the same shit. Hate never comes from above. That is the most simple thing I can say. But a lot of these people are jealous. That's just the reality. I am a super young guy and I've learned all this stuff at a very early age, and I've practiced a lot of this stuff and I mastered a lot of this stuff very early on. And I started learning all of this stuff about women, business, relationships, health, wealth, you know, social media, branding, all this stuff. I started learning this stuff at the age of fucking 14 years old. And I used to have so many fucking businesses that failed. And a lot of it is just because of my experience in doing stuff. I've had a lot of experience with women early on. And so I can confidently say that, hey, like, I'm not that interested in chasing and pursuing after women. That's not my goal because I've already done it. I'm not interested in chasing after a bunch of money because, hey, I've already done it. I'm not interested in chasing after all of these things that don't really mean much because I've already done it. I already know that, hey, it doesn't really align with what I'm trying to achieve. And so, especially when I speak to older guys who agree with me, like Corey Wayne, Sterling Cooper, Justin Waller, when I speak to these guys, even Rollo Tomasi, when I speak to these guys, they all agree and they all resonate with what I'm saying, right? And literally the only difference is our age. And so when I see that, hey, these guys are agreeing with me and they agree with my mindset and how I view things, then I know I'm correct. And when I have people who are hating that I don't want to emulate at all, then that doesn't really matter to me, right? You're gonna have people who hate on you who you don't want to even be like. So why are you even listening to them? I think that's the biggest thing that I've realized very early on was, why are you still listening to people who you don't want to be like? It's very simple. Every single person I want to be like, I listen to. That's it. I try to emulate what they're doing. And anyone who I don't want to be like, I throw away all of their fucking ideas and whatever the fuck they have to say in the trash because I don't want to be like them. It's very plain and simple. And a lot of people have a hard time understanding that because, oh, this person's your family member. This person's your friend. This person is someone you look up to. This is an authority figure who you see on the news, whatever. Listen, I don't want to be like them. I know their lives behind the scenes. I know they're not happy, so why the fuck would I want to listen to them? And I think that's a huge thing that I've kind of always understood, and I think a lot of other people would be a lot happier if they really embody that belief and they actually put that into action. Because I promise you, once you stop listening to people, you stop caring about what other people think, you will be way happier. You just gotta answer to yourself and nobody else.